Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. After almost 1.5 years and doing like a very random makeup video after not posting for entirely 1 or 1.5 year, I think this is like quite a random thing, but I felt instead of crying out here कि मैं क्यों नहीं थी 1.5 साल, people would be more interested in watching makeup videos because actually that is what I love to do. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Today was my off day, and I thought there is no better day to start doing this finally after a year, and here I am. So, basically, today I'm going to share my daily makeup routine when I'm stepping out, not for a flight, but ऐसे घूमने जाने के लिए. तो जब मैं जो मेकअप करती हूँ बेसिकली दैट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर बिकॉज मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो लेट्स डू इट. To begin with, I'm going to prep my skin. I've already applied toner, serums and everything. I just wanted to go with a moisturizer. This is from, what is this, the Face Shop, I suppose. Yes, and it's like my favorite moisturizer. This is actually Skin Emulsion Moisturizer, which has rice and ceramide and has a very nice and genuine fragrance. I'm going to let the moisturizer sit in for a while. Till then, I'm going to do my brows. So for my brows, I start by outlining my brows so that they can have a more natural finish. अभी कुछ दिन पहले मेरे मेकअप बॉक्स में ना कुछ तो गिर गया है, सो ऑल ऑफ माई मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स आर स्पॉइल एंड ये नहीं हट रहा है. और मुझे इसको देख के इतनी OCD हो रही है, बट आई डू एनीथिंग, आई कांट ओपन इट. So this is the brow pencil from She Glam. Look at the precision, you guys. It's very thin. That is why it gives a very nice look to my face. So let's start. I have done nothing but just मैंने इसे हल्का सा line किया and look at the difference already. This is such a nice product. Next I'm going to fill in my brows using this eyebrow tattoo. This is from Inside Cosmetics and this is a bang on dupe for the Benefit one. Packaging भी थोड़ी बहुत same है and it's like very nice to the point that I've actually finished this. You can see I think इसमें कुछ product बचा नहीं, but I've already restocked it. But we'll try to use this one only for my eyebrows right now. This comes in two colors, brown and black. This is actually not exactly jet black. This is more of a grey color. And for some reason I do not like brown eyebrows. मतलब मुझे बहुत fake सी लगती है if I'm looking them up close and personal. So I just do not like it. So we are doing it with black and I've already stocked in black color only. My eyebrows are done and they look fab. The only secret to a very glowy dewy and summery makeup, although summer में थोड़ा सा dewy makeup oily लगता है, but this does not make me stop doing a dewy makeup. The OG trick is basically a lot of illuminator. So this one is from ELF and guys, I love this. I understand कि इसका क्या hype था because भाई ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is like amazing. And another one that I love is this one from Maybelline. This is their Perfector 4 in Glow makeup. मेरी दोस्त ये बाहर से लेकर आई थी 2 साल पहले and I'm still using it. Oh my god. It just popped out because मैं कल ना इस मेकअप कर रही थी तो मैंने इसको निकाला था, तो it is just here. The product is here. I think एक साइड पे मैं ये लगाती हूँ, एक साइड पे मैं ये लगाती हूँ, so you will know the difference. I'm not using the primer because primer से मेरा face बहुत grippy हो जाता है. So for now, because we are doing a very subtle makeup, we'll be doing this. The problem is कि मैंने ना अपना मेकअप ब्रशेस अभी धुलने पे रखे हैं and I just did not realize it that मुझे आज वीडियो करना है. So I'm using a beauty sponge that I'm not very good at, but let's do it. Look at the glow. It's amazing. Then on the other side I'll be using this one from ELF. Actually the problem is कि ये available नहीं है इंडिया में, so I just wanted to use this one only. So ये भी देखो कितना प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे, तो I'll use this one. I just don't like to waste my product. This is the amount of product we'll use. forehead पे नहीं लगा है, so you can like make a clear difference and it's amazing, I'm telling you guys. And it also has थोड़ा बहुत coverage which is like very good. I love how glowy my makeup looks. Now on normal days when I want to do a little heavy makeup, I use a skin tint and that's all. I do not use a foundation until unless कुछ शादी या कुछ है बड़ा सा, but a skin tint. This is from L'Oreal. This is the Infallibles 24 hours tinted serum and this does a fab job. Also, this is dewy, so +1. But today we are going to skip this because this is a daily based makeup. Then I'll be using a concealer to cover my under eyes and थोड़े से redness हो रखी है because of acne. So we'll use a concealer. This is my favorite concealer under a budget. ये कुछ 200-300 रुपए का है and the concealer does amazing job. This is how my base looks up close and personal. So flawless but so dewy. I'm going to set it all up using a face powder, not a loose powder, because loose powder से थोड़ा सा mattify हो जाता है skin and I don't want that to happen right now. The fact that आज सब कुछ मुझे sponge से और इससे करना पड़ेगा is a little irritating, but it's okay. This is from MAC and it's an amazing compact. मतलब एकदम ही ऐसा blur out कर देता है skin को कि कुछ भी नहीं बचता है for doing. And I do it only on my T-zones and my under eyes to avoid creases. So for blush, I have like two options. One is from Gush Beauty, another is from Rare Beauty. Both of them give amazing dewy blush while I look. So let's mix match and do it. It is so cute. It comes in like two. Why am I running out of words? I don't know. So I'll be using my hand only to taking out this blush. This one and some this one. I'm gonna mix करके. Look at the pigment. I'll be using my blush to my hands to blend out for a more natural coverage. Then I'll take my Rare Beauty for some extra toasty सा look because ये थोड़ा सा dark pink mauvish color में है. The main ingredient is this one from Earth Rhythm. ये दिखने का एक yellow है, but this is like I don't know, some magical blush. So what I do is, can you see it? This is like a holographic pink color. So I use it on my high points like a highlighter, but this acts like a blush. So see that glowy monochromatic pink color का जो sheen है, this is what I love. We are almost done with the makeup. I'll be using this. This is like, I don't know what to say. This is basically to give you a glowy thing, but also it has some shimmer and some color particles to it. So it's like very pretty. I'll show you. This gives like a, it's like a balmy texture. I apply it to give a very subtle glowy. मुझे मतलब बस dewy makeup हो जाए वो कैसे भी हो, I don't care. You can also use it above your eyes. So, but अभी मेरे को eyes पे कुछ नहीं करना है. So, see, so I love it. I love it. मैंने अपने black कपड़े पे पोंछ लिया है. There's so much of blush. Anyways, then I'm going to line my lips. For my lips, I'm using this lip liner from Mars Cosmetics, my favorite lip liner. This is how my lips look when I line them. I'm going to smudge it a little bit using this back wala thing. I saw this as a hack on Instagram and I love it. Then I have two options from my gloss. This was from NYX, this is from Mars. I am feeling Mars today, so By the way, this is their Ivy Lip Ivy Hydrating Gloss Serum. It's amazing, but today I'm feeling this. My lips looks so pretty. Last step is my mascara. This is from NARS Cosmetics and it gives amazing volume to my lashes. So and my summery makeup is done and it looks amazing. Okay, this turned out more pretty than I thought. And what do you mean I have to like stay inside my house with this pretty looking face? This was my everyday makeup look, summer makeup look when I'm stepping out of the house. The only step left is spraying some makeup setting spray. I'm literally running out of words these days, but I'm not doing this right now because मैं घर पे ही हूँ and I'll be removing this makeup after some time. So this was my look and I absolutely loved it and I'm sure that you loved it too. I will be tagging all the products down below if in case you want to check out. These are like some of them are very affordable. कुछ थोड़े से expensive हैं, but what my theory is, which मैं अपनी मम्मा को भी समझाती हूँ every time I do an expensive purchase, ये चीज़ें ना बहुत लंबा चलती हैं. If you're buying a blush for 3K, I am sure वो आपको 2-4 साल तो लास्ट करता ही है जब तक वो एक्सपायर नहीं हो रहा है. But there are obviously very affordable tubes to everything that every expensive makeup product. For example, let's take an example. This blush from Rare Beauty, this is, I don't even remember कितने का, I'm sure ये expensive ही है, but the bang on dupe to this is this blush from Gush Beauty. This is for 900 something and I'm sure this one from Rare Beauty is for 3K or something and ये exact same dupe है. Another one I'll show you. I do not have that right now, but Rare Beauty का एक ल्यूमिनियस ब्लश आता है जो एग्जैक्टली इसकी तरह परफॉर्म करता है. द ब्लश ग्लो जो ये देता है ना इज़ द सेम फ्रॉम दैट ब्लश. सो देयर इज़ लाइक अफोर्डेबल ड्यूप्स टू एवरी मेकअप. बट जो मैंने भी यूज़ किया आई डेफिनेटली लिंक डाउन ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स बिलो. आई बी ऑल्सो डूइंग वीडियो इन केस इफ़ यू गाइज वॉन्ट ड्यूप्स, मतलब महंगे वाले मेकअप का छोटे मोटे ड्यूप्स जो भी हैं मेरे पास, बिकॉज I have tried, tested and used a lot of expensive and cheap alternatives as well. So I think I might be able to do that without doing any further bug. This was my makeup look. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll be trying to be more consistent, but I cannot promise because मेरा job schedule ऐसा है तो मुझे थोड़ा सा edit करने में, shoot करने में time लग जाता है. But here's hoping that we are a little consistent. And that was it for today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.